welcome to the Webverse. I am Jayant here to tell you a simple hack today about a GitHub. So, basically, first the questions arise to a new beginner student, what is a GitHub? Let's check it out on the Google what it is written in simple terms. So basically GitHub is a provider of internet hosting for software development and version control using Git. It offers the distributed version control and source code management functionality. Let's get it in simple terms. So basically GitHub is a software which is hosted online to manage and track your codes. It have many terms like branch repositories, pull request, merge, and many things. Let it get later. So basically GitHub will track all your codes that you write about an application with your fellow developers. So just get this much to it. Let first explore something about GitHub. So today's video that I'm going to tell you a simple hack about GitHub, how to update your readme md.profile page. So here is a simple tool that I have used to update my GitHub profile me dev. This website is a great website which lets you to update your profile of GitHub and which make it look attractive and intuitive. So it will create an impact or impression on the recruiters if you're applying for jobs and like senior developers have. So here on the left hand side you can see there's an options that there you can update your like name, subtitles, and long description like what you have been doing your career journey or about like what are your interests and everything. And the left on the right hand side it will generate a script that you have to just paste on the GitHub with creating a repository of your own username. So after creating a repository from this section in the repositories, you will have to create a repository with the same username. It is a special repository which is just created by GitHub for this your profile, where you paste all your script. This will generate something like this. In this will like exactly like that you have created and seen on profile me dev, which will look very intuitive. This is a simple hack which will make in like you can make it in 10 or 20 15 minutes. So yeah, it is a great hack to update your GitHub profile and make it look intuitive. Thank you for watching the video, and tell me in comments like if you like the video or any suggestions. Thank you. Hit like and subscribe my channel.